Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, my name is Julia. Otherwise, welcome back to Makeup with Time with Julia. Today we are doing part 2 of this. On my recent video, I did a review / tutorial, and here is now the part 2 version of this video. Well, if you have not watched that video, you better check it out. Here is the eyeshadow from Beauty Glazed. It's for 60 shades in total, what you have here. So my previous video, I used this shade, this green one, then I skipped this middle two, then I used this one as well. I used purple and green. Today I am going to use orange and blue. I hope you are doing well, guys. Okay, let's get started. I'm gonna do exactly what I did before we give this video review. I'm using P. Louise base. I will do orange first, which is gonna be this eye. I will go in with the darker shade first. I'll kind of stretch it forward now. Second shade. Just dab this here. I will not use this shade. Start from darker shade to lighter shade. This shade here, I will use this to blend my brow bone area. Back in with the first shade I used earlier on. I will just darken my outer V again. Go in first with this shade. What's wrong with this shimmer again? So this shade I use, I don't like it because it's not giving me that oomph. I'll move on with this one now. Something is wrong with this shimmer. I don't like it. I'll try this one this time. I'll just apply this. Yeah. You see this one now? This is how shimmer should be showing on your skin. Okay, this is from Primark. Then diffuse it. I'll go with this. Go in with this orange. This one is orange palette. So now we're going to try this one. I'll go in with the deeper shade of the blue. Just gonna dab on my outer V. Yeah, you dab it, it's losing pigment already. What's wrong with blue these days? So at this point, I'll just stretch it forward slightly. I'll go in with this. Let's see if this will show on my skin at all. I'll apply this here. I'll use this one. This shade is leaning towards green. I'll try this and see, because I don't like this here. So I'll use this same shade to blend my brow bone area. Intensify this area. Then I'll take it forward slightly. My hooded eye, the skin is moving. The blue matte shade I have here is just these two, so I'll go in with the darker one. Oh, let me swatch it. You can hardly show on my skin. It's not even shiny. The lighter version of the blue, which is this very one here. Maybe this one might be okay. Yes, slightly. Not it's not like or like what this is what I'm talking about. No, just slightly better. And when you're doing that, better you do this way and this way. That's how I do. Now let's do bottom lash. I'm sick of this palette. Now just push it for like upward and lose the pigment. I'll just use this yellow to diffuse, even though it's have nothing to do with it. Well, it worked well. Nearly gonna be similar. Press glitter on my inner corner. I'll just try. I've not done it before. Wish me luck. Just put it on my skin. I'm not putting it right in my inner corner, like inner. Okay, here's the thing. I'm gonna do my mascara, eyelashes, and my lippy off camera. Then I'll come back for my final thoughts when it comes to this eyeshadow palettes. I have done my fussy off camera and my lippy. This is what I use today. I combine these two together. They are from Revolution Pro. Get down to the business. This is the business. What do I think of this eyeshadow palette? Let's start with the matte shade. All the matte shades, they are all amazing. They are all nice, you know. All the matte shade can show on your skin. It doesn't matter. I don't think it really matters your skin tone. All the matte shade will show on your skin. Okay. When it comes to the shimmer, I have problem with most of the shimmers, apart from all this lighter version, like something like this. You know, this one wasn't too bad when I, you know, on my last video. This green wasn't too bad. Like all these are really good, you know, they show on your skin. But the rest, guys, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial / this review. If you want to watch the first video, I will put it up here so you can watch that one, then watch this one. Then you can make your own conclusion if you want to get this palette, or if you don't want to spend your money on it. But for me, I will not recommend this palette. And that's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this review / tutorial. I hope to see you guys on my very next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and also follow us on Instagram. Is at Makeup It Time with Julia. Make sure you stay safe, guys, and I will hope to see you on my very next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye for now.